Let's uncover your branding blind spots that potentially cost you thousands of dollars every month if you don't fix them. Okay, so stick to the end because I will not only uncover a branding blind spot in this video, I will also show you how to fix it. And you can learn along so that you can check your own branding blind spots and fix them on your own. So let's dive right in. What is a branding blind spot? A branding blind spot could be your message, it could be your design, it could show on your website, your sales page, your social media bio, your social media feed. Like blind spots are everywhere. So let's look at this one here. This is a message that could be on a sales page or a website. Let's read this. Discover your unique human design blueprint to unlock your potential and live your life in alignment with who you truly are. So this is a problem. This is a problem because people buy when they see results, yeah? When they know what they get when they hire you. So in this case, I can't really see the result. I see, first off, human design blueprint. I don't really know what this is. Unlock your potential. I don't know what potential for whom. Live your life in alignment is so broad. What does alignment even mean? And what life? Yeah. Is it my life? Is it my kid's life? Is it like who is the person that you are talking to? Yeah. Who you truly are. I am 52 and I have no clue who I am. Yeah, I'm still figuring it out. So we need to be really specific. So let's dive in. The 3 questions that I ask myself when I look at the message is, do I understand this? Does this paint a picture in my mind? Would I click a learn more button? So ask yourself, would you click a learn more button? Something that I teach our members in our membership is that they need to be hyper specific. So hyper specific that you could paint a picture when you close your eyes and I read this to you, you see an image in front of your mind. Yeah, you see an image. This here is not an image because I don't know what unlock potential looks like. I don't know what life in alignment looks like. I don't know truly who I am. Maybe I'm a light bulb. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I am a kid playing in the sand. I don't know who I am. So we need to be very specific. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to think about who are we even talking to, yeah? Who are we talking to? Who is our audience? And with audience, I mean just one single person. So let's think about unlock your potential. This is very generic and overused, but let's think about if I was a mom, what would unlock your potential look like for me? Maybe unlock my potential as a mom would be I have more quality time with my kids, even though I work full time and have to cook and have to go grocery shopping. Yeah. Unlock my potential would maybe be not living after this to-do list, but having more time with my kids. That would be a potential that I would like as a mom. Or if I am a teacher, my potential could be to be faster at homework. Yeah, I don't know if human design could help with this, but this would be something that would unlock potential. If I was a business woman, yeah, like a manager in a corporate job, maybe unlock my potential would be how can I be a better leader? So we need to be very specific, but we can only be specific if we know who the person is. So, talking about who the person is, in case you haven't met me yet, I'm Kirsten with Authentic Branding, and I do this stuff and more in our membership, and I help our clients to unlock their blind spots every day. So I do videos like this, go through the looms, yeah, to make loom videos and show them exactly what they are not seeing. So next thing, live your alignment. I already talked about it. It's too overused, too generic, no clear connection or results. Truly are, I said already, who am I? I have no clue. So what are we doing? Number 1, who are you talking to? So in this case, I just made someone up. So professional woman, 50 plus, who feels stuck, stressed, and overwhelmed in their careers. They want more clarity, they want ease and energy to thrive without burning out. So this would be a really cool target audience that I could help with my human design reading. What are they helping? What am I helping with? That's the problem. Like They feel stuck, they feel overwhelmed, they feel drained. Yeah, ugh, what's going on? I want out of here. Yeah, maybe I don't want to work in corporate anymore. Maybe I want to thrive in corporate. Yeah, what is it? The tangible result: 1 hour, a better leader, faster decisions, ease, energy, confidence. That is something that I could maybe read from their human design blueprint. I could tell them, you can make faster decisions because you are a manifesting generator. Listen to your gut. Don't get stuck in your head. Yeah. So these are things that potentially could work. But of course, you need to be clear, who are you talking to? And this is the problem that many people have. They are afraid of losing out. So they stay generic, and then they're so generic that nothing sticks. So this is something that now we could create based on this. So instead of saying what we said here, let's just copy this over that we have it here. Okay. So let's just say, here, feeling stuck, overwhelmed, and drained at work. This already puts it in a context. Now I know who you're talking to. You're talking to people stuck, overwhelmed, and drained at work. You could also say, are you a woman? Yeah, 50 plus, who's feeling stuck, overwhelmed, and drained at work. So, and this here is what I am delivering. In 1 hour, I will show you how to use your human design to become a more confident leader by making faster decisions, being energized all day, and finally feeling in control without burnout. Yes. Where's the button? Yeah, where's the button? So I will put this other one here so that we can see the difference. Hang on, just move this over, and this here, make it a bit smaller. Okay, so basically, this is what we had before. Yeah, very generic. And this is what we have now. Very specific. I know what this is. I know who it's for. And this is what we did. Specific problem, clear outcome, and actionable timeline. So this is how you can increase your revenue, or you are not leaving money on the table every month because now you're specific. If you have this on your website and I see it, or if you have this on your social media and I see this, I know exactly what you're doing. And this is how people come and can pay you. People don't pay you for this, but they pay you for this because they know what they get. So, still stuck with the sales page message design. Did you know that 85% stay stuck? It's true. If you don't have accountability, if you don't have someone who can actually give you feedback on the things that you do, like I did right now, we have a membership for this. We have hyper-specific training based on who you are, what you want. Yeah. Maybe it's messaging, maybe it's design, maybe you want to learn AI photography. You want to build a badass brand that is seen, that is heard, that looks badass. Yeah. You feel confident, and this is how you get clients. So brand momentum is the answer. We are starting in January. And if this is something you are interested in, put your name on the waitlist. I would be super excited to connect with you. Let me know if you have any questions, if this was valuable. I want to hear from you, and I see you in the next video. And in the next video, I will show you how to create a badass looking design that people will fall in love with from this. Yeah. And I will also show you why you can build it from this. Okay. I will see you in the next video. It was really nice to meet you. Take care. Bye.